Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to get a business license for your LLC, step by step, so you can legally operate your business and stay compliant with local and federal regulations. Many new business owners think forming an LLC is enough, but in most cases, you also need one or more business licenses, depending on your industry and location. First, you need to identify which licenses or permits your LLC requires. These can vary widely. For example, if you're opening a restaurant, you'll need a food service permit. If you're running an online store, you might need a sales tax license. To find out what applies to you, start by visiting your city or county government website and check their business licensing section. They usually list all the permits needed for different business types. Next, check at the state level. Every state has its own licensing requirements. For instance, if your business sells physical goods, you'll likely need a state seller permit or sales tax permit from your state's Department of Revenue. Some states also require professional licenses for fields like construction, healthcare, or financial services. Now, don't forget about federal licenses. These are only required if your LLC operates in industries regulated by the federal government, like alcohol, firearms, broadcasting, or transportation. If that applies to you, you'll find detailed application information on the official U.S. government website, business.usa.gov. Once you've identified which licenses you need, it's time to gather your documents. Typically, you'll need your LLC's legal name, EIN number from the IRS, your business address, and sometimes proof of zoning approval if you have a physical location. Then, apply for your licenses. Most cities and states allow online applications, which makes the process quick. Some local governments might still require paper forms, so double-check their instructions. When applying, make sure all the information you enter matches your LLC's formation documents exactly to avoid delays. After submitting your application, you may have to pay a filing fee, which can range anywhere from $25 to a few $100s, depending on the type of license and location. Once approved, you'll receive your official business license, usually by mail or email. Finally, remember that most business licenses expire annually or every few years, so you'll need to renew them on time. Keeping your license active ensures your LLC stays in good standing and avoids penalties. And that's it. Getting a business license for your LLC is mostly about understanding your local rules, gathering your paperwork, and applying through the right government offices. It's one of the final but most important steps to make your business fully legitimate and ready to operate. Subscribe the channel for more videos.